siya. Sinabi nila yon kasi maraming kumwestiyon kung mayroon ba talagang jurisdiction ng Supreme Court sa kaso ng impeachment. Hindi ba co-equal ang tatlong branches ng gobyerno that no one is above the other? At ayon sa konstitusyon, the impeachment is only done by Congress.
The Supreme Court decision written by Senior Associate Justice Marvic M.V.F. Leonen ruled that all legal issues involving impeachment proceedings are subject to judicial review. Considering the nature of the offices and the institutions that are subject to impeachment, its effect on the independence of constitutional departments and organs, and its nature as a constitutional process.
Pangalawa at pangatlo, the first 3 impeachment complaints ay sinasabing naumpisahan ng i-endorse ito ng one or more congressman. Considered as archive na raw ang tatlong impeachment complaint noong nag-transmit si Velasco to the freaking Senate.
The court took note that the House and the 19th Congress did not act on the first 3 endorsed complaints, which were considered terminated or dismissed upon adjournment of the House. The 3 impeachment complaints were archived and therefore deemed terminated or dismissed on February 5, 2025. Therefore, no new impeachment complaint, if any, may be commenced earlier than February 6, 2026, the Supreme Court held.
Kumbaga sinasabi ng Korte Suprema, yung unang tatlo, kahit na hindi pa siya na-refer to the Committee on Justice na sa House of Representatives at inuna nilang i-transfer or i-transmit ang 4th impeachment complaint na nilagdaan ng 215 congressman, papumunta agad sa archive yung unang tatlong impeachment complaint na na-endorse na ng mga congressman. Noong sabi ni Romualdez, in-archive lang nila ang impeachment after matransmit sa Senado yung impeachment complaint endorsed by 215 congressmen.